What to invest in America to make $1 million in 2025. America, the land of financial dreams and abundant opportunities. But in a world still facing post-pandemic aftershocks, inflation, digital transformation, and geopolitical instability, the biggest question for any investor stepping into 2025 is, what should you invest in to earn $1 million? This is no longer a theoretical or abstract idea. Now is the time to craft a clear, practical, and executable strategy to turn the seven-figure goal into reality. 1. Invest in ETFs, a safe yet sustainable path. If your aim is to make $1 million in 2025, start by laying a solid foundation with ETFs, exchange-traded funds. ETFs like VU, tracking the S&P 500, or QQQ, tracking the NASDAQ 100, allow you to invest in top-tier American companies and enjoy a stable average return of 8 to 12% per year in the long run. Steve from Call to Leap emphasizes, let the market work for you. Don't try to beat it. With an initial investment of $100 and a 10% monthly return, through leverage, timing, and consistency, you could get close to the $1 million mark. Especially when using a dollar cost averaging (DCA) strategy. 2. Rental real estate, leverage and passive income. Real estate in the U.S. is a long-term goldmine. Thanks to flexible financing options, investors can take out loans at 6 to 8% interest to buy homes and rent them out for monthly cash flow. Cities like Austin, Texas, Tampa, Florida, and Raleigh, North Carolina, are attracting major capital due to high housing demand and limited supply. For example, a $300 property that nets $1.500 per month in rental income generates $18 per year. By owning 5 such properties using leverage, you can earn nearly $100 in annual cash flow, not to mention capital appreciation and tax benefits. This is how many U.S. investors build million-dollar wealth in just 3 to 5 years. 3. Growth stocks and tech. Invest in the future. 2025 is the age of AI, electric vehicles, EV, clean energy, and high-tech healthcare. Companies like Nvidia, Tesla, Palantir, Amazon, and Microsoft are reshaping the future of humanity. Investing in growth stocks can yield 50 to 100% returns per year, or even more with the right timing. However, this game requires knowledge and patience. It's not for the impulsive. Take time to study financial reports, industry trends, and valuations. 4. Crypto as a high-growth channel, but with intelligence. You can't ignore crypto anymore, especially with Bitcoin, Ethereum, and DeFi gaining legitimacy in traditional finance. Some investors turned just a few $1,000s into millions in previous bull runs. However, with SEC tightening regulations and high volatility, crypto should be no more than 5 to 10% of your portfolio. Steve suggests, treat crypto like a high-risk seed. It may grow into a money tree if you know what you're doing. 5. Digital content and creator economy. America's creator economy is now worth over $250 billion and growing fast. Building a YouTube channel, TikTok account, newsletter, blog, or digital course can generate passive income far beyond expectations if you have a focused strategy. Smart investors today combine financial investing with content creation, sharing their journey, knowledge, and insights. In return, they gain loyal followers, generate revenue from affiliate marketing, ads, and digital product sales. People like Steve, Call to Leap, have proven this model works. 6. Online business models with high profit margins. With AI booming and e-commerce easier than ever, dropshipping, Amazon FBA, affiliate marketing, digital products, and online coaching are powerful wealth-building tools. If you have marketing skills and know how to run a lean operation, they can be more profitable and less risky than traditional investing. A well-run dropshipping store can generate $10 per month in profit after just 3 to 6 months. If you scale it strategically with a team, automation, and brand building, earning $1 million in 12 months is absolutely achievable. 7. Leverage Trump's 2025 tax policy changes. With President Donald Trump's new tax orders signed in 2025, the U.S. investment climate is more favorable than ever. Key policy shifts include corporate tax cuts, boosting after-tax profits and thus stock prices, tax incentives for individuals investing in domestic businesses or funds, tax reductions on rental property income, benefiting both domestic and foreign real estate investors. These changes are driving massive capital flows into strategic sectors like tech, reshoring manufacturing, clean energy, and real estate, if you invest in the right sectors at the right time and apply financial leverage wisely. The synergy of policy plus market momentum could help you reach the $1 million mark much faster. 8. Build a community, grow with depth. In this age of connectivity, community is an invisible asset with tremendous value. If you're a visionary, build a tribe, your audience, clients, or partners who share your values, via social media, online forums, or your own education platform. Steve from Call to Leap is a great example. He doesn't just invest, he shares his journey and knowledge. As a result, he's built trust and earned passive income from digital channels while elevating his personal brand. 9. The $1 Million Mindset. Discipline, focus, evolution. No strategy will help you hit $1 million if you don't have the right mindset. That includes financial discipline. Know how much you earn, spend, and invest each month. System thinking. Build systems for earning, active cash flow, growing, reinvesting, and protecting. Risk management. Continuous learning. Stay updated. Test new strategies. Learn from mentors, and evolve. In today's world, investing is no longer just about money, it's a game of mindset, vision, and consistency. Conclusion. $1 million is no longer out of reach. In 2025, with the mix of policy shifts, digital transformation, and global wealth migration, we're living in a golden age of investing and value creation. Whether you're starting with $1 or $100, what matters most is a sound mindset, a clear plan, and persistent action. Begin with simple steps: an ETF portfolio, a rental property, a content channel, or a small online store. Step by step, your consistent actions will take you to 7 figures, faster than you ever imagined. Remember, the world doesn't lack money, it lacks people who dare to act.